Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix this device cannot start, and the error code you get on the screen is error code 10 with your Wi-Fi adapter. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue this device cannot start with your Wi-Fi adapter, then I am showing you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to try and restart your laptop or desktop. After that, still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Just click on the start menu, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt, click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you type msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and hit enter. Click on next. It will take some time. After completion of this, just close this. Then try the third method. Just right click on the start menu and go to device manager. Expand the network adapter. In this you have to find Wi-Fi. Just right click on this Wi-Fi adapter, click on properties, click on driver tab and click on roll back the driver. After that, just close this window. Still you are facing the issue. Again you need to open the device manager, expand the network and adapter. Just right click your Wi-Fi adapter, click on update driver. Click on search automatically for the drivers. You have to make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, just close this window. Still you are facing the issue after trying all this method, then try the final method. Just double click this network adapter, select your Wi-Fi driver, just right click on that and click on uninstall device. Click on uninstall. After uninstalling, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting your laptop or desktop, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix this device cannot start error with your Wi-Fi adapter. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.